Pwede pa yung...
Ito yung gold. Oh, this is my gold cappuccino. My mommy have a gold cappuccino too.
Oh, sarap.
My gold cappuccino.
Hindi naman. Ayun na, oh. Picture mo.
Gold cappuccino, cappuccino.
My lips gold.
We're taking cappuccino drinks, the gold one. See, look, 24 hours gold cappuccino.
Yung lips nyo, bakit gold, ha? Talatang nag-coffee kayo ng gold.